Hello everyone, welcome to the new course of Python for Data Science, which is primarily focused on beginners for data science. So in this course, we are going to learn all the techniques which are required for coding machine learning and data science models. My name is Jay. I have 4 years of professional experience in data science and machine learning. I'm currently working as a data scientist in a Fortune 500 company. I have completed my master's in advanced mechanical, major advanced mathematics and FEM. I have divided complete course into 3 parts. The first one is Python basics, the second one is data structures, the third one is modeling. In basics module, we will understand all those aspects which are important and required for exploratory data analysis (EDA) and modeling in data science. In the second module, we will understand about NumPy and Pandas. These are the basic data structures utilized multiple times while doing data analysis and modeling. Before getting into the last module, we will have an in-depth understanding of visualization libraries. In the last module, we'll first understand sklearn library and create 2 basic ML projects with help of NumPy, Pandas and sklearn. There, you will utilize all your previous knowledge. After that, we will do a complete project based on a business problem. I'll explain you how we convert a business problem to a mathematical problem and then start doing EDA or exploratory data analysis. We will apply multiple models and diagnose those models. At the end of the module, you will understand how to deploy these models and how these models will help the business to solve their problem. This complete projects you can showcase in your CV. You will have complete knowledge of Python, you will have basic machine learning concept, and you will be able to deal with any type of dataset. You will be able to do modeling and forecasting with help of sklearn. So what are you waiting for? Let's enroll now and I will meet you in the class.